My name is Nigel Bamford from Escea Gas Fireplaces. We are located in Dunedin, a city down the bottom of the country of New Zealand. We manufacture a range of gas fireplaces, and everything we do is therefore in quite thin metals, 0.9 to 1.6 gauge mostly. We've got a lot of parts. We've got 14 different models. Each of them's got several hundred parts. It's about 3,500 different parts we need to make, and not always in large volumes. So we needed to find the best sheet metal working machinery we could buy. What really mattered to us was speed and accuracy, and we really also wanted some really good after sales service, because we understand that here in Dunedin we are about as far away from Europe as you can get. So we needed to choose a company that could both provide us great machines but also look after us after that event. We chose the Electra 3 kilowatt Fireblazer from LVD. It's proven to be a really good choice for us. It's extremely fast. We also chose the 10 shelf material tower. That's obviously let us have lots of materials stored up. Machine grabs the material it needs, quite often just one sheet of each material, and then we store all the finished parts up in the tower as well. Then we have our breakout table, and a few times a day we get some people on the breakout table pulling the parts off. In a normal production run, when we're running at normal speed, we're using our LVD laser for about 16 hours in a day, 2 shifts, 5 days a week. But when we get really busy, we also run around the clock. The last shift is we run it with lights out. We also bend all of our own parts here, and we like to work on a little and often approach to bending. So we don't do very large runs. So we need press brakes that are fast to operate, fast to set up, and most of the time we're pulling up the same program each time. We decided it was too slow to use our large hydraulic press brakes to bend our small parts, so our latest purchase is an LVD Dyna-Press. The guys really love using this machine. We now bend our smallest parts on this small fast press brake, and we leave the larger parts to our larger press brakes. And this approach has really sped up our total overall bending speed significantly. We've enjoyed dealing with LVD. We've found them being really responsive during both the sales process and also with after sales service. We work through their agents, GWB of Australia, who have also been great to deal with, and I couldn't recommend them better.